Hi friends, are you a CEO, founder, entrepreneur or a sales head grappling with the problem of poor sales productivity in your sales teams and looking to fix this problem permanently so that you can guarantee good business results? If yes, then I have the answer for you. Watch this video till the end. My name is Dinkar Suri and I have spent 37 years in the field of sales management and sales development, and the last decade in studying this vexing problem of poor sales productivity across organizations and helping them to solve it. I am glad to inform you that I am now launching a sales academy to help organizations to build sales productivity and build efficient sales organizations. This academy is called the GASP Sales Academy. What is GASP? GASP is a sales toolkit and an IP developed by me standing for Generally Accepted Sales Principles, a set of 27 processes covering customer management, sales partner management, sales team management, and sales operation management. The underlying principle of GASP is to treat selling and sales management as a science and not an art. What we teach sales teams is to follow the process and not just chase the result. Thereby, the result becomes a byproduct of the execution of the processes. Based on my experience of having worked with clients over the past decade, I can tell you that this is a very effective method of ensuring sustainable sales productivity from your sales teams. The GASP Sales Academy has a wonderful set of mentors whose mission it is to implant GASP in your organization. And yes, GASP is only 10% classroom training and 90% happens in the field. So in the academy, while we will tell you about all the processes involved to make a sales department efficient, we also will work along with you to implement these in your businesses. We are starting the GASP Sales Academy with our flagship course, Building Efficient Sales Organizations with GASP, on 13 September. This course is of a 10-hour duration spread across 5 days, that is 2 hours every day. And as an added bonus, we have included a free negotiation skills workshop in this course. And not only this, there is a free 1-hour mentoring for all the cohorts to understand how GASP can be implemented in their organization. Friends, there is a lot more information about us and what we plan to do at our website. Please scan the QR code on the screen right now and see for yourself how GASP Sales Academy can be of great benefit to you. And yes, do sign up for our first batch for this very unique course on building efficient sales organization using GASP. Do reach out to me at the number and the email ID indicated, and I would be only too happy to guide you in your search for building sales productivity. Remember, the GASP Sales Academy is the only academy devoted to building sales productivity. I look forward to seeing all of you. Thank you very much.